Hello my friends! Today we will make such a beautiful site for our cake. You should know that all elements on this cake will be made of Italian meringue cream. Hello guys! This is Nadia, I am Dennis, I am Nadia's husband and we have some popular videos on our Russian channel and I'm going to sound these videos in English and publish on this channel. And this video is the first one and I hope you will enjoy watching it. So let's get started. First we need to smooth the cake, applying a thin layer of cream onto the sides and making its top perfectly even. It's very convenient to cover the cake with freshly made Italian meringue cream. It's still very soft and warm, very tender and airy. After a while, it will become thicker and it will be more difficult to smooth the cake with it. So you would better start smoothing the cake as soon as you have wiped the cream. We take white uncolored cream and smooth the top. We make the top perfectly even and smooth and then move the rest of the cream to the sides. We move the cream to the sides and now we try to spread it over the whole surface, moving the spatula up and down. This way the cream distributes evenly on the cake side. We do our best not to leave any cavities. We shouldn't see the sponge cake or the filling through the cream. Now we take a convenient large even scraper or ruler. Take any tool that you can put at a right angle and use for smoothing the cake. Work very carefully and slowly. Italian meringue cream can't stand haste. If you move too fast, it will reach after the scraper and come off the cake. We need to make a smooth, even layer on the side to seal all the crumbs in, to make our work easier. We have a crown left on the top. It's the cream that moved up from the sides and is sticking out now. We carefully remove this crown. You can use a small or a long spatula for that, or even a knife. There was a time when I only had a knife, so I learned how to remove the crown with a knife perfectly well. We smoothed the cake. The top will be covered with flowers anyway. Some cavities we see here are not very critical, because we are going to make an interesting side anyway. We have a cake, we have some cream, a spatula and a bowl. Let's choose the colors we want to use. We are going to make an ombre effect, going from dark color on top to light color at the bottom. So, first we make a dark lilac tint, the darkest tint we will use for our cake side. We added lilac food color. Use any lilac food color you have. If your color is too purple, add some pink color to it to get a lilac tint. We need the color of a lilac bush. It has very beautiful flowers. We need this very tint. Now I have quite a tender tint. We will use it somewhere in the middle. And now we need a darker tint, so we add more food color. Stir the cream carefully. We don't want to kill it. We don't want it to become sheeny and stretchy. We just need to stir the color in. I add more food color. I think that's enough. We have some color stripes left. It's normal. They will mix in the piping bag. We are going to decorate the side using piping tip number 125K. If it's very wide, you would better make it a bit narrower, pressing it with pliers. Watch our video about operating piping tips. We can add some food color right into the piping bag, but keep in mind that this way you will get some color stripes. To get less stripes, we distribute the food color along the bag in circles instead of drawing stripes with it. Now we start making petals. We make something like a small rainbow. Make sure the cream sticks to the surface. Move up a little and go back down. We draw a rainbow. Step back a little, and now we make another petal, overlapping the first. Put the rainbows a bit higher to make such a beautiful trim on top. Try not to incline the piping tip away from the cake, otherwise you will scratch the side of the cake with the bottom edge of the tip and the petals may fall off the cake. So, hold the piping tip straight and even incline its upper part toward the cake a little. Then you can make an even rainbow. Work at pressure. Put the piping tip close to the cake to make sure the cream sticks to the surface. Start pressing the back and move up. When finishing the rainbow, stop pressing and remove the piping tip. We colored the first part of the cream brighter by adding food color into the back, so we have a really bright tint at the beginning. Now, when we finished the circle, we see that the color is one tone lighter in the end than it was at the beginning. The food color was fading and fading away, so the cream became one tone lighter by the end. So we can go on making another row of petals with the same cream as long as it differs in color from the first layer. We move down and go on making the same small rainbows. Each petal overlaps the previous petal.
Нахлёст с предыдущими.
Here the color is almost the same, so we need to prepare another bag. I have some cream in the piping bag. I pipe it into the bowl. We will need this cream. I add some white cream.
Светлый и подмешиваем сюда уже окрашенный крем.
We need to make our cream 1 or 2 tones lighter. When two layers meet, it must be obvious that the second layer is lighter. Let's put it against the cake.
Что он светлее.
Yes, we see that this cream is lighter. Everything is fine.
Здесь у нас белый не промешан.
We have some white cream left here. We need to stir it well, otherwise it will get out on the cake. We put this cream into the same piping bag. We have piped all dark lilac cream from this bag into the bowl, and now we put lighter cream into it. We go on decorating our cake with small rainbows of a lighter color.
Вот этими вот радугами наш торт.
We go on making petals as long as our color looks lighter than the previous row.
Выглядит более светлым, чем предыдущий слой.
Here we meet our lighter tint.
Более светлым.
We pipe the rest of the cream into the bowl again. I add about 2 tablespoons of white cream and stir.
И перемешиваем.
We get an even lighter tint.
Еще более светлый оттенок. Еще более светлый оттенок.
We put this light cream into the same piping bag we used before.
Делали предыдущие полосочки.
We go on making our rainbow stripes.
Полосочки радуги.
You see, we managed to extend the row.
Круг.
We advanced past one circle because our cream still looks contrasting enough against the previous row.
Полоса выглядит еще достаточно контрастно на предыдущей. Так, ну вот здесь мы
Let's stop here. We need to make our cream lighter again. We repeat the same procedure. Pipe the rest of the cream from the bag into the bowl. Make sure you pipe all of it so that we could start with lighter cream at once. Make the bag as clean as possible. Add some white cream. Stir it carefully.
перемешиваем.
We shouldn't kill the cream too much because its structure will get broken. The cream may simply slide down from the cake, so be careful when stirring it.
Просто стек с торта, поэтому будьте аккуратными.
We put our lighter cream into the bag.
Еще более светлый крем в пакет. Часть
Pipe some of it into the bowl to make sure we get rid of the previous darker tint completely. And go on decorating the cake.
к украшению торта.
Repeat the same procedure once again. Pipe the cream out of the bag. Remove some colored cream and add some white cream. I will remove some of this cream as well and add more white cream. I'll make a very pale whitish lilac tint, bleached out color. Put the cream into the bag. Pipe some of it out and go on decorating the cake.
Продолжаем украшать торт.
We have finally reached the bottom of the cake. We use this color to cover the cake to the very bottom. We have covered the whole cake from top to the bottom with such small rainbows.
Чтобы сделать
To make white beads at the bottom of the cake, we take some white cream and stir it well. You can't do anything nice with this cream until you stir it, because well-wiped cream contains too many air bubbles. We stir the cream and put it into a clean piping bag. Cut an approximately sized hole. The size of the hole should be equivalent to the size of a piping tube number 3. You can practice on the side of your bowl first. We poof a ball, go further, poof a ball again and move on, poof another ball. We go on decorating our ball like this. It will be very beautiful. It's designed in classical style. Then we segue to decorating the cake. Look what beauty we managed to make with the help of one piping bag, one tip and our hands. It looks really nice, especially when made of Italian meringue cream. We did our best to make such a beautiful side for this very cake. In our next video I will show you how to make this splendid cap of tulips with only 3 Russian tulip piping tips. Thank you for your likes.